So now let's make the variation. I have some hummus already stored, and I have taken about 100 ml or 100 grams, I don't know, maybe it's more than, of hummus, and then one sun-dried tomato, all the juices. Actually we can add more juices, and we have to add basil. In Spanish it's albahaca. Fresh basil works better, but all my basil plants are dead in the summer, and so are my coriander plants, and so are my parsley plants, so I have to go buy from stores. But it's not crazy. So you slice the basil, add it to the hummus. This might, since we have added more ingredients, we will need to make it a bit runnier, so I'll add a bit of oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. And now we can resume. Amazing. And that's it. That's the variation. Thanks for watching, and hope you try some of these things.